It was a Wednesday. The sky was clear and the temperature was 20 degrees. The clock was 9:52 a.m. A farmer was mowing his lawn. The farmer was thinking about his sheep and how he could pay for their education. Suddenly, the lawnmower went crazy. Due to bad cell phone reception, the farmer was unable to call for help, and he died. When the government learned about the incident, they called the lawnmower crash investigation. This is the clutch. I think it's broken.
And look, here's the white box, which all lawnmower has. It contains information about the last minute before the crash. Look!
The investigators listened to the tape in the white box.
Ah! BMW! Look! It's a wheel cap from a BMW.
I think we have found the reason that the lawnmower crashed. The investigators concluded that the reason for the accident was a flying wheel cap from a BMW on a freeway nearby. The investigators used 10 years to come to this conclusion. This lawn mowing accident has now improved lawn mowing safety all over the country. It is now forbidden to drive a BMW in areas where lawn mowing takes place.